My name is Min. My name is Ava.
What's today's date?
September 23rd, 2021.
And what are you guys gonna do right now?
Feed our new pet fish.
What's your fish's name?
Rocky.
And what's your pet fish's name?
Bullwinkle.
Alright, turn around and see where they are. There they are. Yeah, cute little parrot fish. Okay, and here's the fish food. Okay, right guys?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. They're still a little bit shy because they're toddlers. They're still learning where to put. Oh, there they go. Oh, hold on. Go ahead, guys. Yeah, they're going up. There they are.
Oh.
Look how cute. Oh, the water filter's falling down the pellets, and they're eating them. They're looking for it. They're still learning how to eat from the surface.
Look at those faces, though.
Yeah, little punchy little parrot face fishes. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he finally took it from the top. There.
Both of them are.
And wonder why what's that black stuff underneath Bullwinkle's belly? Hi there, fishy.
That's just spots.
Hold on. Yeah, it's spots, but they hasn't seen it like that. It's the other day. Day's not keeping an eye on them. See how it's dark underneath his gills?
Yeah.
Ever since Dad put the algae wafer in there that he's been eating, he started turning that color. Yeah, good job. All right, buddy. Say, see you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.